guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can print pictures on Pinterest. Sorry about that. So for instance, I want to print this picture. I'm just going to open it in a new tab. I'm then just going to simply save image as, and then I'm going to press save. Then I'm going to open the file. Then I'm just going to select print, and that's it. You can also adjust the orientation here. Maybe this one's more of a portrait. You can select the size as well, and you can select either a full page or not here. If you'd like to, the margins as well, maybe shrink to fit and just print it out. I don't really have a printer, so I can't really print it, but that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!